So I am right here in the back of my house. The little ducklings. So we have the chicken house and the water already reaching to the chicken house. We were told that the flooding should be slowing down, so the chickens should be safe. As you can see right here, the water isn't really deep, but it gets deeper as you go on. We tried to move the van. That is the older van that the church had that wasn't working anymore, and we could not move it, so it is getting flooded. You can see there are fish, already in the water. The ducks enjoy their water, and the water goes all the way down. If I were to get in this water, which I will not be, I'm pretty sure the water will be going past my knees, especially going down there, and I believe to my hips, and I am 5 feet and 2 inches. Scary. We are very blessed though, because there are many people who lost their homes, and as you can see, we still have ours here. Our house, we won't have to be evacuated, and we have everything we need right now. So here the water is still moving up.